Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Lexus CT200H rear wiper. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is safely parked with the ignition off. It's a good idea to place a towel or soft cloth on the rear window to prevent any scratches during the process. This simple preparation makes the whole task much smoother. Now, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a little effort, so don't be afraid to apply gentle pressure. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade. Align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that it feels firm and won't easily come off. Once secured, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Finally, give the new blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and doesn't wobble. It should feel secure. Then, turn on your car and test the wiper function with a little water on the rear window. Make sure it sweeps smoothly and clears the glass effectively. Remember to dispose of your old wiper blade properly. Great job! Your rear visibility is now improved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.